Hi everybody, welcome to English Dizzy Lessons, and this is N. Sanjeeva Reddy, School Assistant English, ZPHS Ambaripet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal District. Today we are going to learn how to write answers to WH type questions. These questions start with the following words. WH questions start with the following words: what, when, where, why, who, and how. So if the question starts with these words, then we call it WH question. And how should we write answer to this type of questions? Let us discuss in this lesson. But before that, let us compare between yes or no type questions and WH questions. Here I'll tell how to write yes or no question and WH question answers. Let us see here. And these questions are taken from 10th class textbook. Can Nick play golf? And the answer is yes, Nick can play golf. And the same type of question, if it is asked in WH question, what can Nick play? So here we can write Nick can play golf, Nick can play football, Nick can play golf and football. Out of these three questions, you can write any one answer. So let us compare these two questions and answers. Can Nick play golf? Yes, Nick can play golf. What can Nick play? Nick can play golf. Here compare the answers, how they are. Here let us continue. Compare the answers in blue color. Was Nick teased in school? Let us see the answer. Yes, Nick was teased in school. And here let us see WH type question. Where was Nick teased? So here the question is where, you have to write the place. Let us see the answer. Nick was teased in school. This is the minimum answer. Minimum. Here we set the place. Or we can write some extensive answer also. That is, Nick was teased in school. Some children laughed at him. They made fun of him. Let us compare the yes or no question and WH question. Here this is yes or no question and answer, and WH question and answer. Here let us compare these two answers in blue color. Here you can see. Yes, Nick was teased. Nick was teased in school. Did he like water sports? Let us see the answer. Yes, he liked water sports. Let us see WH question. What did he like? Or which sports did he like? Same question but written in two different types. Let us see the answer. He liked water sports. Here, water sports. Or he liked water sports. He liked swimming and surfing. Here we replace those water sports with swimming and surfing. Did he like water sports? And comparison between yes or no type question answers and WH type question answers. Here compare these three answers in blue color here. Did Nick receive any awards? Yes, Nick received one award. And here is the WH type question. Which award did Nick receive? Nick received Australian Young Citizen of the Year award. Can Nick balance well? Let us see the answer. Yes, Nick can balance well. Why can Nick balance well? Here is the question why. Why can Nick balance well? Or Nick can balance well. Why? We have to say the reason. Nick can balance well because he was short. And we can add some more sentence also. He has low center of gravity. Here let us compare them. Yes or no question answer and WH type question answer. Here compare the answers. You see here. Here. Was Murthy short? Yes, Murthy was short. Let us see the how was Murthy. Here we have to say the appearance of Murthy. We simply write Murthy was short. Did Murthy apply for the IIT entrance exam? We write yes, Murthy applied for the IIT entrance exam. What did Murthy apply for? Answer. Murthy applied for the IIT entrance exam. Here let us compare these. Here compare these two answers. Here you see Murthy applied for IIT entrance exam. Murthy applied for IIT entrance exam. If you observe carefully, if you can write yes or no type questions perfectly, then you can write any WH type questions very easily. The only thing you need practice and practice and practice. Then you can write extensive answers also, not only in one sentence, but you can write more than in one sentence. But the only thing you should practice. Did Murthy feel happy for getting good rank? Yes, Murthy felt happy for getting good rank. How did Murthy feel for getting good rank? Here we have to write his feeling. Here the answer. Murthy felt happy. Here this is the answer. And the remaining part taken from the question itself. Murthy felt very happy for getting good rank. Or we can write extensive answer like this. Murthy felt very happy. He was excited very much. He thought that his dream would come true. Did his mother support him? Yes, his mother supported him. Let us see. How did his mother support him? You have to say his mother supported him, but how? We have to write like this. His mother supported him by inventing a device to hold a pen. This is the way she supported her son. She also prepared a special toothbrush for Nick. This is another way she supported her son. Can he type on a computer keyboard? Yes, he can type on a computer keyboard. How can he type on a computer keyboard? How? ఎలా type చేయగలుగుతాడు? How can he type? He uses a small foot on his left hip. That is the answer. Let us see. He can type on a computer keyboard with a small foot on his left hip. With the help of this small foot on his left hip, he can type on a computer keyboard. This is the answer. And some extra information. It is useful to him in many ways. Hope you understood it very well. Be positive while you are learning. Enjoy your learning. All the best. And as it is said, practice makes a man perfect. So you practice again and again. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel NSR English Nalla. Thank you.